she goes again, pulling my heart out from within. She walks on out that door. I lie here on the floor.
Every time you think your life is gonna be happy, it turns around and then the worst thing happens. The same people who were cheering you and clapping, you look around, they're punking at you and they're laughing. With only me who was avoiding all the fuss, willing to do everything to save the fucking us. But fuck it, I think that I am unlucky enough. See, I'm a simple man, all I ever want is to be loved. My head on your thighs and I'm playing with your hairs, coming over just to hug you. Every time you say you're scared, get you everything you need. You just name your shit, it's there. When the homies packing heat, I be packing up a dress for you, for your birthday. You know that I cared. Tell me everything, I love it when you share. And when you're sick, you were all up in my prayers. Why you think I'm cheating on you like a player? That's fair. That's what it is when you think you've had enough of. One day your toxicity is gonna make you suffer. What can I say? I know you found yourself another. I just want someone to love the way my father loves my mother. Now after this you probably think that you're so clever. I hope you know that what you lost is for forever. I'm sorry father had to dance with the devil, you's a bitch, and I can't go down to that level.
There she goes again, pulling my heart out from within. She walks on out that door. I lie here on the floor.
Yeah. There's a lot of things jumping in my head, bro. I'm waking all the night and thinking why she said so. Well, I never really had a problem. You remember when we used to jump together on the Prague? Probably not, cause you moved on in a week. You only regret about the broken snap streaks. Now you got another boy to talk to, like I was never even in your life. Fuck you. I never thought I'll end up leaving it like this. I never thought I'll end up giving you no shits. Cause I'm the person who was down when you needed, the same person who was there when you shit a break. A lot of things right now, girl, are going. I thought you'd understand me in the things that I'm doing. I give you all the time I really had for your happiness, but fuck it, you don't care, you just ruin.
Sleepless nights have made me so tough. Cliche fights that we have is not love. Things didn't work between you and me, and I thought we can still take it further. Links went out between us and then things went out cause the destinies had a different past. Was the best of options cause I hope that
Fuck it.
আজি কি ঠকাল ঠকাই রে প্রাণের বন্ধু রে আজি কি ঠকাল ঠকাই রে প্রাণের বন্ধু রে বন্ধু এই নাই অবুধ মনে ওরে তোমাক ছাড়া নাই যে আশা এই পোড়া জীবনে রে কি ঠকাল ঠকাই রে প্রাণের বন্ধু রে মনে কি পরে না সে কথা কইছে নদীর ঘাটে বন্ধু কইছে নদীর ঘাটে মনে কি পরে না সে কথা কইছে নদীর ঘাটে ওরে মোর সাথে ঘর বাঁধিয়া জীবন দেমেন কাটে রে কি ঠকান ঠকাই রে প্রাণের বন্ধু রে তোমার বাদে ও মোর বন্ধু অনু দেশান্তরী বন্ধু অনু দেশান্তরী তোমার বাদে ও মোর বন্ধু অনু দেশান্তরী ভোরে সারা বাড়ি বেহরা ঘুরে হাউসের গাড়ি ধরি রে কি ঠকাল ঠকাই রে প্রাণের বন্ধু রে বন্ধু এই নাই অবুঝ মনে ভোরে তোমাক ছাড়া নাই যে আশা এই পোড়া জীবনে রে কি ঠকাল ঠকাই রে প্রাণের বন্ধু রে আজি কি ঠকাল ঠকাই রে